Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to manage subtitles. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game and next go to language. Find subtitles and here you can change subtitles mode between story, all, dialogue, closed captions or none. Next you can change subtitles size, background contrast and speaker direction. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.